Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? It's Generalkidd here, and for today's video, well, it's actually been a while since I've done a tech review. So I wanted to review the Lepow Z1 portable USB-C monitor for today's video. And I've done reviews of Lepow monitors in the past, and you know, they're pretty great monitors actually, but this is the latest model that's actually got a big upgrade. So just to sum it up first, the Lepow Z1 is a 15.6 inch 1080p Full HD portable monitor, and compared to previous monitors, it has a quantum dot enhancement film, which gives it a lot more vivid colors. It's lightweight, it's very slim, and well, let's just take a look at it, because it's probably what you guys best way to show you guys what it's like. So the folks at Lepow were actually kind enough to send me a monitor to review, so let's dive right into it. So inside the case, it actually comes with a lot of accessories, screen protectors, power adapters, including the USB-C cable and HDMI cables as well. So this is what the monitor looks like when it's set up, and like with the previous monitors I've reviewed, this monitor is portable because its cover, its screen protector or whatever, the thing around it, it's you know, it kind of doubles as not only as like a kickstand for it, but also, you know, like a case for it as well, so that you can, it's like a notebook basically. You could just fold it up and then take it with you. And like I said, it's not huge, it's light, it's easy to carry, and it's great for traveling on the go. And you know, if you ever need like a monitor while traveling, so you don't have to play games or do whatever you want to do on like a tiny like phone screen, this monitor would be perfect for that. And it's the quality, the performance, and everything, it's all really great. It's, you know, it's also got built-in speakers, and because it's Type-C, it's probably compatible with most modern chargers out there, because I think by now most people already have like Type-C phones. It's pretty ubiquitous now. But yeah, so before we get into powering on the monitor, if you guys remember, I did a video like a few weeks ago about playing Halo on a potato PC. Well, a lot of people have been wondering what's actually inside that potato PC and how this worked. So I figured for this video I'd do like a little bonus to it and show you guys what was inside. So inside that potato, it actually was a PC inside, but inside it was actually this Intel Compute Stick PC. It's actually the Core M3 model of it. And basically I literally just crammed this inside the a large sweet potato, and well, that's how I was playing Halo on a potato, or sweet potato. Now of course, as you saw in that video, the frame rates were really low because the cooling was really bad, because there's like no ventilation inside the potato for this PC. So it was thermal throttling like crazy. But this time, now you can see what that potato PC would be like if it wasn't thermal throttling. And what better way to show off than on this brand new upgraded monitor, and by showing you guys ODST as well, because now that ODST is on the Halo Insider flight, it's actually a pretty cool thing to try. A lot of new features too, as you saw. So let's take a look at how the monitor is while we load up ODST. So like I said, it has the embedded quantum dot enhancement film, which gives it a much higher color gamut, improving it by 60%. Its brightness has also been increased by 20 candela per squared meter, so that's definitely a big improvement there. Overall, what you get with this upgraded monitor compared to previous ones is a more vivid and colorful picture. And speaking of ultra vivid colors, it basically it does all this while maintaining the advantages of a lightweight and slim monitor. So yeah, this monitor is it's still just as portable as the previous ones I've reviewed. But this one, especially for like gaming, if you want like a much better picture, like it's already HD and everything, but now you have much better colors so that your games look a lot nicer. And as you can see, playing ODST on this, yeah, I do need to run ODST at a lower setting on this mini PC, this Compute Stick PC, because even with like proper cooling and airflow, it's still not going to be able to run ODST like max settings. But even at these settings, as you can see, the image looks pretty great. The colors and everything all look fine, and yeah, overall the monitor works great. So if you guys are looking for a portable monitor to play games on the go with if you don't want to use a small screen, then definitely check out the Lepow Z1. I'll post the link in the description below if you want to check it out. But aside from that, I'll see you all next time.